metal ceiling panel roll forming line was successfully commissioned in Azerbaijan. Zhongtuo ceiling panel forming line was successfully commissioned at a customer's facility in Azerbaijan. The customer gave high praise for both the machine quality and our after-sales service. During installation, issues such as uneven panels, roller gap misalignment, feeding deviation, and core edge overlap synchronization were identified. Zhongtuo's engineers used laser levelers and dynamic tolerance tools to precisely adjust the equipment, reducing panel straightness deviation to 0.5 mm. Problems like poor panel interlocking, mold wear, burrs on panel edges, and incorrect assembly were quickly solved by upgrading to high-hardness steel molds, adding an online deburring unit, and offering standardized installation training. We also adjusted the equipment to suit local climate conditions and provided remote diagnostics, as well as trilingual English, Russian, Chinese manuals, and on-site training to improve workers' ability to operate and maintain the machine independently.
Atmosfer olsa, ben bunu Zhongtuo şirketinden almışam. Hakikaten çok keyifli sanatları var. Herkese tövsiye edirəm ki, bu şirkətlə əməkdaşlıq etsinlər, bu şirkətin avadanlıqlarından alsınlar. Həm çox yaxşı patronları var, həm də çox yaxşı güləviz, səmimi işçi heyəti var. Herkese tövsiyəm odur ki, bu şirkətdən avadanlıq alsınlar.
This successful commissioning not only reinforces Zhongtuo's commitment to quality and service, but also showcases the machine's capability in producing high-precision ceiling cladding panels, widely used in commercial buildings, industrial facilities, public spaces, and modern interior decoration projects.